Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to download Free Fire Advanced Server. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can download your Free Fire. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your phone settings. Now once you open your phone settings, then you search for apps and notifications. Once you search for apps and notifications, then you click on application settings. Now once you click on that, just wait for all your applications to load and then search for Chrome browser. So just wait as it is loading for your applications, and then scroll to where you can see Chrome browser, Chrome, and you can see Chrome over here. Just click on Chrome, and once you click on Chrome you can see storage and cache. Just clear cache and storage of Google Chrome, and once you are done, just go back and then open your Chrome browser. Once you open your Chrome browser, then you search for FF Advanced Server. Once you search for FF Advanced Server, you can see so many links over here, but I'll advise you to download the first one. So click on the first link and just wait as it is loading. Once you click on the first link, you can see Free Fire Advanced Server registration. So you can see log in with Facebook or Google. So just click on Google and then wait for a while. So just wait as it is loading over here, and then choose the Gmail account you want to use. Now once you have selected the Gmail that you want to use, just enter your password of the Gmail. So just enter the password of the Gmail account you want to use, and you can see over here Garena Free Fire. Now once you have selected your account you want to use, boom, you can just get the option to download your Free Fire. With this you can download your Free Fire Advanced Server. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload it